Welcome to the Exam Sale channel, where we're going to break down the syllabus for mastering the Cisco Business Architecture Discipline exam. In this video, we'll cover all 5 domains and what you can expect to learn from each one. The exam is divided into 5 domains: assess and evaluate business needs, business value analysis framework, develop a business roadmap and transformation strategy, communicate the business value, and identify and analyze business drivers. The domains account for 22%, 20%, 20%, 20%, and 18% of the exam respectively. Let's start with the first domain, assess and evaluate business needs, which accounts for 22% of the exam. This domain focuses on identifying current operational gaps and defining required business capabilities to achieve desired outcomes. You'll learn how to evaluate existing business processes and workflows, identify operational inefficiencies and bottlenecks, and perform gap analysis between current and future states. Within this domain, there are 2 key topics: current state analysis and business capability mapping. Current state analysis involves evaluating existing business processes and workflows, identifying operational inefficiencies and bottlenecks, and performing gap analysis between current and future states. Business capability mapping involves defining core and supporting business capabilities, identifying capability maturity levels, prioritizing capabilities based on strategic importance, aligning technology solutions to capability gaps, and validating capabilities with line of business stakeholders. Moving on to the second domain, business value analysis framework, which accounts for 20% of the exam. This domain focuses on applying the structured Cisco methodology to define and measure business value throughout the life cycle. You'll learn how to apply the 4-step value analysis framework, understand the consultative engagement life cycle, define value-based outcomes versus feature-based selling, integrate business value into the sales cycle, and establish value realization monitoring frameworks. Within this domain, there are 2 key topics: Cisco Business Value Methodology and Value Proposition Development. Cisco Business Value Methodology involves applying the 4-step value analysis framework, understanding the consultative engagement life cycle, defining value-based outcomes versus feature-based selling, integrating business value into the sales cycle, and establishing value realization monitoring frameworks. Value proposition development involves creating unique value propositions for different stakeholders, differentiating Cisco solutions through business outcomes, aligning value propositions with customer industry trends, utilizing value benchmarks and industry standards, and synthesizing technical benefits into business impacts. The third domain, develop a business roadmap and transformation strategy, accounts for 20% of the exam. This domain focuses on creating a strategic plan that sequences technology investments to drive business transformation. You'll learn how to sequence initiatives based on ROI and urgency, develop multi-year transformation timelines, identify dependencies between technology and business goals, define milestones and success criteria for each phase, and incorporate risk mitigation plans into the strategy. Within this domain, there are 2 key topics: strategic roadmap design and solution prioritization. Strategic roadmap design involves sequencing initiatives based on ROI and urgency, developing multi-year transformation timelines, identifying dependencies between technology and business goals, defining milestones and success criteria for each phase, and incorporating risk mitigation plans into the strategy. Solution prioritization involves applying cost-benefit analysis to project selection, ranking initiatives using a prioritization matrix, balancing short-term wins with long-term strategic goals, allocating resources effectively across the roadmap, and validating roadmap feasibility with technical architects.